be naturally drawn to litter boxes if they're appropriately placed. In other words, not a crowded, busy, noisy, smelly area. If they're adequately cleaned, meaning clean them daily. If they're properly filled with the proper substrate, a cat prefers a certain type of litter. Not every cat will enjoy every type of litter, and some smell or have different scents that a cat doesn't prefer. Some don't feel nice to a cat, so on and so forth. The litter itself should be at least 3 inches thick. The box itself should be at least 1.5 times the size of your cat. And cats prefer unclosed boxes. I know we don't tend to like that in our living room, but if your cat's avoiding the litter box and instead using your pillow, you might change your mind quickly. So they prefer different spaces, different areas. And again, really important, make sure you have one litter box per cat and plus one. So if you have one cat, that would mean 2 litter boxes. If you have 2 cats, that would mean 3 litter boxes. And it's important to give them privacy in a quiet area and basically have them be cleaned daily. And eventually, after a year or two, changing, getting a new litter boxes, in addition to cleaning the litter box itself by not just the poop and pee out of the box, but dumping the litter out and washing it out as well. If you do all these things, your cat will be drawn naturally to a litter box to defecate and to urinate.